Might do some cliff jumping today. We'll see how it goes. We'll see if we find the right spot. We are headed to the Nauyaca Waterfall. We were actually here 7 years ago looking for a spot to have our wedding. And funny story, I forgot the word for married. Forgot how to say married in Spanish. And so I told the lady selling us the tickets, we want to get angry and jump off the waterfall. And I said that in Spanish. And she gave us this look like, I don't think you should do that. This place has experienced a lot of development in the 7 years that we have been here. This parking lot wasn't here. Basically just drove our rental car down this dirt road to the end and then hiked in. It's a 5-mile round trip hike, gigantic waterfall. It's a lot more popular now because of Instagram and YouTube and Facebook. Might do some cliff jumping today. We'll see how it goes. We'll see if we find the right spot. So you can either hike the 5 miles to Nauyaca Waterfall, or they have a horse tour you can do. If you're a tourist, a non-local, to do the hike, it's about $9 US. And then if you're a local, they charge $6 US. So they do have bathrooms down here right at the end of the trail where the waterfalls are. I do not remember them having bathrooms 7 years ago, but given with the increase in popularity, it's a good idea. Jump off Nauyaca Falls from the high spot because nobody else was doing it. I didn't know the exact spot, but there's this pretty sweet bridge on the way out.
Infamous.